In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete playlists off of YouTube. Playlists that you don't want anymore, obviously. So with that being said, there's 3 different methods that you can use to get rid of them. All of them are very fast to do. So let's go ahead and start off with the first method. First thing you want to do is go ahead and look for the thumbs up on this video and then click on it. All right, just click that so you can like this video. The next thing you want to do is go to open up your YouTube app. Then from there on the home page, you'll look down on the bottom right. You'll be able to see that it says library. Click on that. And then at the bottom, you'll be able to see that there is a list of different playlists that you have. Select the playlist that you want to delete. And then from there, go to the top right this time. You'll see 3 dots. Click on that. And then in that little menu, you'll see that you can go ahead and delete the playlist. Once you click on that and then you confirm, playlist be gone. Now I got the second method for you that's also going to be on your phone. This one is going to be opening up the YouTube Studio app this time. So open up your YouTube Studio app. Then at the bottom right again, you'll see that you have playlists. Now click on whatever playlist that you want to go ahead and get rid of. Gotta open that up. Close to the top right, you'll be able to see a little image of a pencil. So click on that. And then after that page opens up, you'll be able to see that you can delete the playlist from there. So that's 2 methods in less than a minute, right? So let's go ahead and go to the third method that is on desktop. So after you sign into YouTube from your desktop, what you want to do is divert your eyes over to the left tabs that they got, and you'll be able to see something that says show more. Should be right below your clips. If you click on show more, then you'll see a list of your playlists right there. If you don't see a list of your playlist, you can go up into library, because in your library, you'll be able to see a list of your playlists from there as well. And you can go ahead and click on whatever playlist that you want to get rid of, then click on the 3 dots, open up that menu, and then in there, you'll be able to see delete playlist in there. You now have 3 methods that you can go ahead and delete playlist with. I got a question for you, which is, what playlist are you deleting? What is it about? Let me know, because I'm nosy. And also, let me know whether or not you prefer me to just jump into the video, or do you prefer some type of intro like, hey, my name's Avery, this is YouTube tutorials, I do XYZ for YouTube, all that good stuff. Let me know which one you prefer. And with that being said, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you once again give it a like. Also share with people so they know how to delete playlists as well as hey, subscribe to the channel because I make videos like this all the time. And thanks for watching.